Meet Sophia, a Ravenna, Washington resident who loves nothing more than curling up with a good book on a rainy day. But for years, she could never fully relax because she worried about the water damage to her home every time it rained. She tried everything, from traditional gutter systems to DIY fixes, but nothing worked. Desperate for a solution, Sophia turned to Leafless in Seattle. Our experienced contractors installed seamless gutters tailored to her home's measurements and design. The custom-made, one-piece gutters ensured a perfect fit and superior protection against leaks, cracks, and blockages. Now, Sophia can enjoy her books and the sound of rain without any worry. At Leafless in Seattle, we believe every homeowner deserves peace of mind during rainy days. That's why we provide full-service precision gutter installation using cutting-edge construction methods and top-quality materials. Our seamless gutters are low maintenance, durable, and available in a range of colors and styles. If you're a homeowner in Ravenna, Washington, like Sophia, and want to experience the benefits of seamless gutters, contact Leafless in Seattle today, 800-503-7597, to schedule a free consultation. Don't let rainwater ruin your relaxation time. Let Leafless in Seattle take care of your gutters so you can care for yourself.